This is a P3A stereo circuit. It is 100 plus 100 watts per channel, and here is a mono board that is a 4 transistors 52001943, and the stereo also it is 52001943. And here is a rectifier, dual supply rectifier, and we are going to build a 2.1 amplifier at the best quality in a simple way. So the amplifier is almost done till here. You can see the 6RCA connection, 6RCA socket is connected here, and 3 band sockets for 3 channels. It is left, right, and subwoofer output. Here you can see a 4 transistor monoboard for subwoofer, that is 200 watts almost, and 2 transistor each for stereo. And this circuit is something different, like it's P3A circuit. You can Google search for raw delay P3A circuit, and we here from Shogun we designed it to match our budget and performance. This is one of the best stereo 100 watt circuit that's available here. And here's the 32 volt 8 ampere transformer, and here's the Bluetooth panel. It's from G-Star Audios, and it's a Bluetooth USB aux FM Bluetooth panel. We usually use this panel as the source. And here is a tone control. It's a multi-purpose tone control. It has a built-in subwoofer filter with a crossover control, and here is the bass and treble control. This preset here, you can see this is the gain of the subwoofer. So it's running at 12 volt DC, and you can see the input here between the volume control, between the tone control. There's the input, and here is the right ground left output. There's the subwoofer output and the 12 volt DC connection here. So that's a simple way to connect the overall pre-stage. Now here's the rectifier we are using here. So it's 10,000 microfarad 63 volt capacitor I used, 3510 rectifier, bridge rectifier, and here is a 12 volt section. There is a full wave rectifier for 12 volt, and I have used 4725 volt capacitor for 12 volt DC. Okay, so we need to connect it and fix it here like this. That's the way it is. And the cabinet I'm using here is 17 into 3.75 inches. This is the front panel, and this is the acrylic sheet. This is a default type acrylic front panel that we that's available here from our local store for assembling any amplifiers. They are available in different dimensions for different amplifiers. So overall, this is the level that I have reached. So we need to continue from here to the final. So from now it is better. I think I will not be guiding anything like, oh, this is the connection here, this is the 12 volt here, and so and so. You just watch and comment below if there is any doubt regarding the connection. Okay. So here is the final look of 100 plus 100 watts stereo and 200 watts mono 2.1 amplifier. I'll be adding the complete parts list that I have used in this amplifier in the description. You can check it from there, and if needed you can buy it from Amazon, or if you want to buy it directly from me, you can WhatsApp me on that number. Maybe there may be a delay in my reply, but still I will try to respond faster. Now let us test this amplifier with an NCS music and that CAF bookshelf and a 12-inch subwoofer.